In this video, I will show you how to download Amazon Prime Video on your Samsung Smart TV. This is easy. Subscribe to the channel if you find it helpful. So, if you have a Samsung Smart TV like mine and want to install or download Amazon Prime, first thing first, you have to connect to the internet. After connecting to the internet, you are going to locate your App Store. So, for instance, here's the application here, but it's not installed. So, you go over to your App Store and launch your app store. Here's how mine is. So you go over to your search bar and type in Amazon Prime or just Prime Video. So the keyword here is very important. So we're just going to quickly type in Amazon Prime Video. Remember, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So Amazon Prime. I'm not going to type in the whole Amazon Prime video, but just Amazon Prime, and I'm hoping it's going to lead us straight away to the application we're in search for. So this Amazon Prime, once you type in that keyword, you'll go ahead and click on done. Once you click on done, let's hope to get the application. And once you search, it's going to show, and here's the application we're looking for. So you click on that, and it's going to bring you to the download button. Click on download, and the application will be downloaded straight away to your Samsung Smart TV. I can subscribe to this channel if you find it helpful.